So the first shade I'm going to swatch is the gold glitter shade. It's called Townsville. And there's Professor Utonium, which is a metallic pink. The Mayor, which is a metallic bronze. Crime Fighting, which is a matte tan or beige. Pokey Oaks, which is a matte salmon color. Ignore if there's some glitter in the colors that you see. I was swatching earlier and not all of it came off. You know how it is. Then there's a metallic salmon, which is duochrome. Very pretty. It's called Frenemy. Next is Chemical X. It is a metallic neon green. Could call it a lime green as well. Pokey Oaks looks a little sheer, but I guarantee you it is not. It is very pigmented. Next is a perfect blue glitter topper. It's called Super Friends. Not very opaque, but under the blue you're about to see, beautiful. The bottom row is extremely pigmented and bright. Girls Rock, I'm going to call a fluorescent red. The Fashionistas is Blossom's signature pink. It's a little more neon than her outfit, so you may see Blossom's colors as more these two. Again, very pigmented, hard to tell in an arm swatch, but all I can do right now. Sorry, best I can do. Next is Silico, which is Buttercup's signature green. Again, coming out a little sheer, I apologize about that, but it is neon green and very pigmented. And finally, Rowdy Rough Boys. This is Bubbles' signature neon blue. So you can see no problems with pigmentation there. It is absolutely gorgeous. And that is the entire Powerpuff Girls plus ColourPop palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. Is this centered? No. Yes. No.